In our previous lesson, we found out that using just our hands, we can do wonders with the multiplication table. Now, we are going to concentrate on the 9 times table. And we'll start by using our hands again, just our hands. But the method is a bit different from the one you learnt in the other lesson that we did. So don't try to use this method if you're dealing with what we did last time. This one only applies to the 9 times table only, and it's a different method altogether, though they both use hands. But we are also going to concentrate on the hands method. We have other 9 times table methods that we feel you may need to know. These can help you. They can come in handy when you are facing problems with the 9 times table. So enjoy.
So which one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? Do 9 times 1. Which one do you bend? The first one. So the other side will have nothing, but the other side will have how many fingers are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So it's only 9. Okay? 9 times 2, which one do you bend? The second finger. So how many are before the bend?
1,
That's 1. So we write 1. How many are after the bend?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8. So our answer is what?
18.
18. 9 times 3, we bent which one? The third one. So how many are left before the bend?
2.
2. We write 2. And how many are left after the bend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which is 27. All right? 9 times 4, we bend there. How many are there before the bend?
3,
3. We write 3. How many are there after the bend?
6,
6. So our answer is 36. 9 times 5, we bend which one? The fifth one. So how many are there before the bend?
4,
4. We write 4. And how many are there after the bend?
5,
5. So our answer is 45. 9 times 6, on the sixth finger, how many are there before the bend?
5,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5. How many are there after the bend?
4,
1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 5 and 4, 54. 9 times 7, we bend there. How many are there before the bend?
6,
6. Count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are there after the bend?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3. So there's 6 and 3, 63. 9 times 8, we bent it there. So how many are there before the bend? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and how many are left?
2,
2. So our answer is 72. Okay, 9 times 9, bent it, right? Bend the one just before last. So how many are there before? 1, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. We write 8. And how many are there after the bend?
1,
181. Right? 9 times 10. We bent which one? The 10th one. This is the last one. And how many are there before the bend?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
They are 9.
But the other side will have a 0. So it will be a 9, 0, 90. 9 times 10 is 90. I hope this is a very easy method for you and you can try it time and time again, giving you the best of results. But this is not the only method for the 9 times table. The other method goes as follows. Now, the other method for the 9 times table goes as follows. First write 9 times 1 to 9 times 10, going down. Now, for answers, write in descending order. In the first column, write 0 to 9. So we started 0, then 1, we go to 2, then put 3, then 4, in the same order, 5, we go to 6, then we put a 7, after 7 we put an 8, and finally we put a 9. Now, write the numbers from 0 to 9 again, but this time from bottom going to top. We also write starting from 0 at the bottom to 9 again, and 9 will be on the top. This is the reverse order from the first one, but now you are ascending. You are going up. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And boom, you have the answer to your 9 times table. The interesting thing about the 9 times table is you can always add the 2 digits that make up the answer with the same result, and the result is always a 9. So for 9 times 1, our answer is 9 or 09. Add 0 plus 9, you get a 9. Let's try 9 times 4. Our answer is 36. 3 and 6. So we add 3 plus 6, which equals 9. For 9 times 8, we have 72, which is 7 and 2. So we add 7 plus 2. We get a 9. This is the same for all the answers if you look closely. Try all the other numbers multiplied by 9 and you'll see. Now, the other thing is you can easily get your answers for the 9 times table by simply looking at the number just below the one being multiplied by 9, then subtracting that number from 9 to get the other number to your right. I know this may sound complicated, but let's try this. So if it's 9 times 1, the number before 1 is 0, so we write 0. Then say 9 minus 0 to get the number to your right. So it becomes 09. And 9 times 1 is equal to 09, is equal to 9. Now watch on the board while I demonstrate exactly what I'm saying. I hope you'll be able to marry what I'm saying to what I'm writing on the board. This is to try to make this very clear and easy to understand. 9 times 2 is 1 is the number just before 2, so we write a 1. Then, to get the number for the right side, you subtract 1 from 9. It's an 8, so our answer is 1, 8, 18. This is the same for all the numbers up to 10. Now, let's go back to the board and watch exactly what I'm trying to say. So, If it's 9 times 8, the number just below 8 is 7, and we put a 7 to our left. Then we say 9 minus 7. We put a 2. The answer is 72. So basically, there are so many ways of doing the 9 multiplication table, and I hope you choose the easiest. I know most of you are going to choose the first one. The other ones, I had to do them so that you could see that the 9 times table has so many ways. There are so many ways to kill a cat, the cat called 9. Thank you. I hope you subscribe and be able to see other methods for the other multiplication tables. Our next target is an 8, and our video will be out soon. Thank you and have a nice stay.